Welcome! Today I'm showing you how to activate Hey Google option into your REALME Pad. First of all, need to go into Google application and click More option at the bottom. Then need to choose Settings option, and then need to choose Voice. Here we got Voice Match, so click it. And for Activate Hey Google, need click here to turn on this option. Then need Confirm operation, click Next. I agree. And now press Continue, and now we activate our Hey Google option into your REALME Pad. Thank you for watching, leave thumbs ups and subscribe to our channel.